The courtroom was tense, cameras flashing, and every eye fixed on the two figures standing at the center of the storm: Justice Clarence Thomas and Congresswoman Jasmine Crockett. Thomas leaned forward slightly, his voice calm but laced with sarcasm. "Congresswoman," he began, "perhaps before you lecture the court on constitutional matters, you might want to revisit your understanding of basic legal procedure." A ripple of quiet laughter passed through the chamber, but Jasmine didn't flinch. She placed her papers on the desk, looked him straight in the eye, and replied, "Justice Thomas, with all due respect, my understanding of the law is not confined to old interpretations that fail real people every single day." The air thickened. Thomas adjusted his glasses. "The law," he said sharply, "isn't about emotions or public opinion." Jasmine smiled faintly. "No, Justice," she countered, "it's about justice. Something too often forgotten when those in power hide behind legal language instead of moral responsibility." A few murmurs echoed around the courtroom. Reporters scribbled furiously. Thomas's tone hardened. "Are you suggesting this court acts without integrity?" Jasmine's voice rose, steady but powerful. "I'm suggesting that integrity means accountability. When precedent is used to silence progress, when decisions harm those they're meant to protect, then yes, it's time to question integrity." The audience gasped. Even a few justices exchanged uneasy glances. Thomas leaned back, visibly irritated. "Congresswoman, this is not a political rally," he said. Jasmine replied instantly, "No, it's not. It's supposed to be a temple of justice. Yet too often it feels like a fortress built to keep justice out." Her words hung in the air. The silence was deafening. Then, slowly, applause began from the gallery, hesitant at first, then rising until it filled the room. Thomas's gavel struck the bench repeatedly, but it couldn't drown out the sound. Jasmine stood her ground, her voice clear and unwavering. "The people deserve better than power disguised as principle. The truth deserves to be heard, even in this courtroom."